In April 1963, at the request of the newly independent Algerian government, and under the personal care and deployment of Premier Zhou Enlil, China's first medical aid team, composed primarily of medical personnel from Hubei, traveled to Africa, writing the glorious first chapter in the history of China's foreign medical aid. Hubei thus became the starting point of China's medical aid endeavors and, for over 60 years, has remained the province with the largest scale and longest duration of dispatches. Over the past 62 years, Hubei has dispatched a total of 3,603 medical personnel to Algeria, guarding lives with benevolence and conveying friendship through medical skill. They have provided outpatient care to 27.65 million patients, admitted 3.01 million inpatients, performed 1.8 million surgeries, and safely delivered 2.13 million newborns. Generation after generation of medical team members worked hand in hand with their Algerian colleagues, performing numerous complex surgeries, including cardiac operations, replantation of severed limbs, intracranial tumor removals, treatments for giant ovarian tumors, and total nasal reconstructions, repeatedly filling technical gaps in the recipient country's healthcare. Not only did they treat illnesses and save lives, but they were also committed to teaching, mentoring, and guiding through training, lectures, and collaboration, helping train over 20,000 local medical workers, and significantly enhancing Algeria's healthcare standards. Chinese doctors introduced advanced laparoscopic techniques, anesthesia protocols, and obstetrics and gynecology guidelines to Algeria, greatly reducing maternal mortality rates. To this day, many local women affectionately refer to Chinese obstetricians and gynecologists as Chinese mothers. Among the 2.13 million newborns delivered by Chinese doctors, over 10,000 were named meaning Chinese. The warmest way the Algerian people to repay this profound affection across mountains and oceans. Over 62 years, batch after batch of Hubei medical professionals have carried on this mission, including touching stories of 3 generations from one family, couples working together, and sisters supporting each other. They fulfilled their mission with their youth and interpreted the great concept of a human community with a shared future. Through their actions, in the new era, foreign medical aid efforts have been continuously advanced. In 2017, Wuhan Tongyi Hospital established a partnership with Algeria's Mustafa Hospital in obstetrics and gynecology, achieving a 0 breakthrough in level 4 laparoscopic surgery. Hubei Provincial Hospital of Traditional Chinese Medicine collaborated with Ben Akron Hospital to establish the Sino-Algerian TCM Center, promoting TCM techniques like acupuncture and cupping, and offering training classes to root TCM culture in North Africa. In June 2023, Professor Zhou Zhengyu became the first Chinese professor to lecture at the Faculty of Medicine of the University of Algiers. The following year, Algeria sent doctors to Hubei to study acupuncture, further strengthening the bridge of academic exchange. In the autumn of 2023, the 28th Chinese medical team to Algeria arrived to continue a 2-year medical aid mission. Every month, they treated 11,000 outpatients, admitted over 5,000 inpatients, performed more than 2,400 surgeries, and delivered around 3,600 newborns. From outpatient clinics to operating rooms, from emergency rescues to teaching and training, Chinese doctors have been active on the front lines of medical care, alleviating suffering with new techniques and earning trust with genuine dedication. Throughout these years, the medical teams have received high-level attention and support from both Chinese and Algerian sides. Vice Premier Liu Gozhong personally attended discussions, and the Chinese embassy in Algeria has repeatedly conveyed regards. On September 16, 2025, Ambassador Dong Guangli met with Algeria's newly appointed Minister of Health, Masaudani, for in-depth exchanges on Sino-Algerian health cooperation, highly praising the dedication of the Chinese medical team members. The embassy visited the A&D FLA medical team, communicating with provincial health departments and hospital representatives, commending Chinese medical personnel for their boundless compassion and selfless dedication. Algeria's Ministry of Health and local governments have also actively improved the living conditions for the team members. The medical teams have forged deep friendships with local colleagues and neighbors, offering immediate assistance in times of crisis, such as Fairu's coming to China to meet the Chinese mother, who performed her surgery 38 years ago. A young Algerian girl receiving treatment at Wuhan Tongyi Hospital, and Chinese doctors providing emergency aid at a roadside accident scene, all embodying the universal love of medicine without borders. The 28th Medical Team is about to complete its mission successfully and return home.
قاموا بأعمال جد معتبرة مع المرضى.
But the story of China's medical aid to Algeria is far from over. This path, bearing an unwavering commitment of 60 years, connects the heartbeats of the two peoples and reflects the light of the ideal of a global community of health for all.
Merci. Chichi.
It will continue to extend into the distant future.